The three main changes with FHA are, the first change that's occurring next month is that the mortgage insurance premium is going up. It's increasing. It's been 1.75% for FHA. It's going up to 2.25%. Now you probably don't pay too much attention, and I discuss this with the buyer when I sit down with them, because what that premium does is it's added to the loan amount. So I go through with them and I say, okay, so you're making a purchase of $200,000, you're putting down 3.5%. You would think the loan would be X, but actually we need to add the 1.75%. The mortgage insurance premium is rolled into the loan, so it's not something that you're saying, or it's not affecting their monthly payment too much.
And it is.
Does it affect
$100
their
and
DTI?
something extra a month. I usually tell them that because it depends.
No, honey,
yeah.
no.
It could be though.
It depends on the price, yeah.
The mortgage
it's usually
insurance
like a
premium increase,
close to 100.
it's only changing their payment by a few dollars, less than $10 a month.
But don't you pay for it in two ways though? Because you pay for it in the mortgage and then you pay a monthly too, no?
You have monthly mortgage insurance, that's not changing.
Okay.
That percentage is not changing, that's 0.55%, that's staying the same. It's the premium, and the premium is a percentage of the loan amount that gets added into the loan amount at the front end. So it's only increasing. I think I ran the numbers, I don't have them in front of me, but I think on a $100,000 purchase it increases their monthly payment by about $5 a month. So that part is not significant.
Does it affect their DTI though, the PMI? No, okay.
Well, I mean, to the extent that their payment increases $5 a month.
Okay.
So
that's
their debt increases $5. So that's not a significant change. Let's see. This is gonna take effect. I think it's April 10th, April 5th or April 10th, and it's going to occur if I register a loan before that date, and the FHA case number is assigned, then we're clear. We've got the old policy. But as of the 10th, when I register a loan, or it might be the 5th, I'll double check on that for sure. But early April, it's going to take effect for any new case numbers for FHA. The other two things are going to have more of an impact. And right now, they're slated to take effect early summer, so I don't have exact dates. The first one actually might be a plus, and I put it in the email. And what they're saying is, people are calling in a panic saying, oh, I heard FHA is requiring 10% down payment. It's only for real low FICO scores. So they're saying what they're saying right now is for a 580 credit score, the down payment is going to increase from 3.5% to 10%. The reason that's good news is right now we can't get a 580 on FHA. So it seems to be broadcasting to me that they're going to consider lower credit scores. That's a good thing. So when you guys put your people through this program and they manage to work their way up to a 580, maybe we can do something with them with 10% down. Right now, FHA requires a 600 credit score. They like to see it at a 620, but they'll take a 600 with 3.5% down. So that part of it might be good news. Seems like they're going to relax the credit score requirements with a higher down payment. The third piece, though, is bad news, and that third FHA change is the seller-paid closing costs that's allowed. One of the benefits of FHA over conventional in the past has been that conventional only allows 3.5% for seller-paid closing costs. Where FHA, we could go as high as 6%. What's going to happen early summer is the FHA seller-paid concession is going to be reduced to 3% across the board. And that's really going to have a negative impact for lower priced purchases. So if you think about the percentage, if you think about a $100,000 purchase, FHA now is going to allow only 3%, $3,000 for seller paid closing costs. With the Bridgeport taxes, it's not going to cover. Even what are usually close about 5,000, even 6,000, depends on the tax and the time of the year or how much tax that's gross. So that's a bad thing. Of course, it has less impact when you get to 200, 300. If you're selling a $300,000 property, 3%, 9,000. That's going to cover a lot of the closing costs. But for those lower income, lower price buyers, it's going to be a hardship. So you might be talking to your buyers and telling them save. I always, the first time I talk to someone, if I see they're short on assets, I just keep reiterating, just save your money, stock it away, no major purchases. Lay low with your credit.